Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best LED fairy lights that are available on the market for their true quality. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Hobei's 6-pack fairy lights battery-operated string lights. These lights are perfect for smaller scale decorations and DIY projects. At just 7 feet long, each string includes 20 warm white LEDs that are powered by 2 CR2032 batteries, which are included. The standout feature here is portability. Thanks to their compact battery case, you can easily hide it within your decor. These lights are also waterproof, making them suitable for indoor and outdoor use, though keep in mind that the battery case itself is not waterproof. The copper wire design is durable yet flexible, allowing you to shape it into a variety of forms. In terms of performance, the lights provide a cozy and delicate glow that is great for mason jars, table centerpieces, or bedrooms. However, their battery life is capped at 72 hours, so frequent replacement may be needed for extended use. While the design is simple and effective, it lacks additional features like remote controls or color-changing options. These lights are ideal for quick, small-scale projects or events, but may not suit larger installations. Overall, the Hobei's fairy lights offer a budget-friendly solution for anyone looking to add a subtle, charming touch to their decor. Pros include portability, ease of installation, and a warm aesthetic. While cons include limited battery life and a lack of advanced features. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts and smaller decorations. While cons include limited battery life and a lack of advanced features. At number 4, we have the Sudis curtain lights for bedroom. These 200 LED curtain-style lights are designed to make a bold statement. Measuring 6.5 feet by 6.5 feet, they are perfect for large-scale decorations like backdrops, windows, and walls. The lights come with a USB power connection, making them versatile for both indoor and outdoor use. There's even an extension cord included for added flexibility. The standout feature here is the remote control, which lets you navigate between 8 lighting modes, adjust brightness, and set a timer function. Additionally, the lights have a memory function that saves your last setting, so you won't need to reconfigure them every time you plug them back in. Performance-wise, the lights shine with their warm white LEDs, creating a romantic and festive ambiance. They're also IP44 waterproof, ensuring they remain functional even in light rain or snow, although the USB itself is not waterproof. With adjustable brightness and multiple flashing modes, these lights are incredibly versatile. The quality of the materials is solid, but the setup can feel a bit overwhelming due to the size and multiple strings. Overall, the Sudis curtain lights are ideal for parties, weddings, or holiday decorations, where you want to make an impression. Pros include a wide coverage area, customizable lighting modes, and waterproof capabilities. On the downside, they may require additional effort to install and are not entirely weatherproof due to the USB. These lights are perfect for larger spaces and occasions. At number 3, we have the Minitum Fairy Lights plug-in variant. This 33 feet string light features 100 warm white LEDs that emit a brighter glow than most comparable products, making them ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. These lights are powered through a corded electric adapter, ensuring consistent brightness without worrying about battery life. The silver wire design is flexible yet sturdy, allowing you to twist and shape the lights for creative installations. The wire is also coated with epoxy, creating a dreamy firefly effect that enhances its aesthetic appeal. In terms of performance, the lights are IP44 waterproof, so you can use them outdoors without worry. Although the adapter itself is not waterproof, they stay cool to the touch even after extended use, which is a big plus for safety. The lights are easy to set up and reel in for future use, making them convenient for those who frequently redecorate. However, they lack advanced features such as remote controls or multiple modes, which may limit their versatility. Overall, the Minitum plug-in fairy lights are best suited for users seeking a reliable and brighter lighting solution for weddings, patios, or holiday decor. Pros include their consistent brightness, durability, and elegant aesthetic, while cons include the lack of customization options. If you're looking for a plug-in option that's simple yet impactful, this is a great choice. At number 2, we have the Mindtongue color-changing fairy string lights. These 33 feet, 100 LED lights offer incredible versatility with 16 vibrant color options and 13 lighting modes, powered through both USB and a dedicated adapter. These lights can be plugged into various sources, including laptops and power banks. The included remote control allows users to adjust brightness, change colors, and set a timer for 6 hours of operation. The 4-strand silver wire construction ensures stability while remaining flexible enough for creative shaping. The standout feature is undoubtedly the ability to change colors, making these lights perfect for any occasion, from festive Christmas decor to calming bedroom ambiance. The lights are IP67 waterproof, which means they're safe for outdoor use except for the USB connector. Performance-wise, the brightness is consistent, and the timer function adds convenience for daily use. While the lights offer plenty of customization, they do require careful handling to avoid tangling during installation. Overall, the Mindtom color-changing fairy string lights are a top choice for users seeking versatility and vibrant color options. Pros include the remote control, multiple customization features, and durable construction. Cons include the USB connector's lack of waterproofing and potential tangling issues. These lights are perfect for anyone wanting to elevate their decor game. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the Brighttown 12-pack LED fairy lights. These lights are the epitome of value and versatility, offering 12 individual 7-feet strings, each equipped with 20 warm white LEDs. Powered by 2 CR2032 batteries included, the lights boast a battery life of over 72 hours, making them perfect for extended events or daily use. The silver wire is flexible and easy to shape, allowing for creative applications on walls, mirrors, wreaths, or crafts. What's more, these lights are IP44 waterproof, so they can be used outdoors as well. Performance-wise, the Brighttown lights shine with their cozy and delicate glow, adding warmth to any space. They're safe to touch and cool even after hours of use, making them ideal for homes with kids or pets. The packaging also includes a screwdriver for easy battery replacement, showcasing the brand's attention to detail. While they may lack advanced features like remote control or color-changing options, their simplicity is what makes them so appealing. In summary, the Brighttown fairy lights deliver exceptional value, quality, and versatility. Pros include their robust build, waterproofing, and the sheer quantity in the pack. The only downside is the reliance on batteries, which may require frequent replacement for prolonged use. Perfect for weddings, parties, or DIY projects, these lights are an unbeatable choice for anyone looking to enhance their decor effortlessly. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.